What's up, everybody out there? It's the first video, trying something new. The YouTube channel, Fat Daddy with the Scatty. That's me. You see I got on the Scat Pack shirt, you know what I'm saying? But this first video, I got a 2017 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. The first video we gonna be doing, I did a lot of stuff that I didn't record. But this the first content is gonna be oil catch can. I'm not gonna really be doing no how-to videos. It'll be more so of informational and reviews. But this is one of the first things I'm doing. Other than a lot of visual stuff, which I'll show y'all in a bit. This will be the first thing other than the visual stuff, the mid-muffler delete. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, here's the catch cam right here. I went with Billet Technologies. I seen there was a few other companies out there that made some, but a lot of people have been having good reviews on the Billet Technologies. I also got some decals. I'm big on the decals. I got some free decals. Yeah, I went with the stainless steel. I didn't really want to do too much color. I want to make it look stock as possible. So I went with that. Then I went with the black hoses. Come with an instruction page. So yeah. You can see how this thing go, how easy it was, or how hard it was. It did take like a month and some change to come. I had to email them a few times, but it did come. Quality looks good thus far. Yeah, I'm back. Y'all got bear with me, man. These first few videos, I'm still learning. But as videos continue, I'm gonna get better. Whatever, just leave the comments, man. It's my beauty right here, though. See that? Change that. 6'4". It comes standard on a lot of the charges. I'm at the challenges, but I put that on there. Scat pack on there. I messed up on the first one. I had to order a new one. That's the new one. I got that joint installed though. I'm in Temple Hills, Maryland, by the way. I had to get that installed though. I'm gonna leave a link to where I got that installed at if you're in the Temple Hills area, Maryland. Feel my little, you know what I'm saying, little jaunts. Good bro. Capital Custom. I got the paint correction, ceramic coat put on here. She a little clean right now. I got it done on the wheels and the car. She a little clean. Yeah, I'm gonna leave you in the Temple Hills, Maryland area. Anywhere in Maryland, Siouxland, Rockville, whatever. Capital Custom and Silver Spring though. He just relocated. All your custom car stuff, he got you. And we're gonna make our way to the back. I don't really like how it be black on black, so I did the red decal right there. But I don't really see this too much. At nighttime, that thing look good, boy. That thing light up. We come to the other side. Got the B right here, Angry B. You know what I'm saying? We did that. Then I'm gonna open her up for you. Show you what I did to the inside. Oh shit. Motherfucking B. This is what we did to the inside. Did the Scat pack right there. That's just a little overlay. And down here, footwork. You know what I'm saying? Them come with the car, accelerator and the brake. I did the dead pedal and the e-brake. Did that. And then come over here. We got the power by SRT. I did that. You know what I'm saying? In the back there. See, I got that good old seat cover. Got the Scat pillow. You know, I keep them. I can't let y'all know what those are, though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, for the most part, this is, I think they call this a quick order. Something like that. No sunroof. The cloth seats. Yeah, but all I wanted was the engine, so I'm good. I'll tell y'all my story about how I got to the car in another video. But before we do this catch can, I just wanted to show y'all the car. I'm gonna start her up one time. Show y'all how good that mid-muffler delete sound. Take y'all. That's how that thing sound, man. Beast. But it's hot out here. It's about 90 degrees right now. The sun out, the shade out, but I'm about to put this catch can on, then I'm gonna record and show y'all the after. Okay, as you can see, I got it on. I think I gotta order I already ordered new hoses. Cause this one right here, I cut it a little bit too much. I just wanted to be all the way flush like that one. But that was the hardest part for me. Because of my hands, that was the hardest part. But yeah, it's on. It looked factory too. So we'll do an update soon. Maybe 3,000, 6,000 miles. See how much it got in there. But that's it.